The first thing my team did at our first practice was build a clawbot. The clawbot is a starter robot with a tank drive. A tank drive is what many starting teams end up using. An integrated motor encoder module is a piece that goes on the back of a motor to count how far it turns. It can also figure out which direction the motor is going. IMEs are applied by removing the 4 screws on the back of the motor, then taking the green plate off, replacing the middle gear with a motor encoder gear, putting on the motor encoder module, and screwing it in. To wire the IME, the 4-pin wire female end goes in the lower slot. Make sure to plug in a motor controller and use ports 2 through 9. In your code, open motor and sensor setup. Name your motors. Select motor types. Reverse is needed. I2C1 is the motor closest to the cortex. Apply. As you can see, there are special pragma tags for the use of the encoders. Reading the encoders is done similar to the motors. They use the array and motor encoder. Resetting can be done by setting the encoder to 0. The array and motor encoder can be used in loops like any other variable. Speed of the motor can be calculated by the change in distance over the change in time. Upload the code to your robot with a programming cable. Open the debugger window under Robot called Motor. Start the robot, zero the sensors if needed. When the robot is pushed, the variables will increase. When the robot is done, we can average the values together. Now we can write an autonomous function for that at 70 power and 715 distance. Then open the debugger manually. To record a right turn, zero the sensors again. Turn the robot right. Now average the absolute values of the encoders. Again, 70 power, but this time 550 distance. Adjust and test as necessary. Good luck and have a great season.